Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Monday, April 15. Government will be spending $300 million to boost community tourism activities across the island. Portfolio Minister Edmund Bartlett says the allocation will be spent in 63 communities to increase the hosting of small events and activities. By doing this, he reasons that more visitors will be attracted to rural communities, thus increasing tourism spend among small businesses.
It's called inclusive growth and inclusive development. And so tourism is not about the coastline. The coast is where the plants are, but the experiences are in the communities. And so we want to build out that capacity.
Mr. Bartlett was speaking at the official launch of M Academy on Thursday. The M Academy represents a partnership between the Jamaica Social Investment Fund, JSIF, and Main Event Entertainment Group. The initiative seeks to train persons in various aspects of event production. The training program will last for 6 months, and trainees will be drawn from 18 communities targeted by JSIF. The first cohort of approximately 100 persons will begin training in May. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says government will be placing greater emphasis on the delicate balance between the environment and tourism. He says the focus will be even greater when the island's hotel rooms reach 50,000 in the next decade.
Our strategy will shift from numbers and quantities to quality and experience. And we are now in that phase where we are seeking, as you have said, to re-image, and we want you to reimagine Jamaica's tourism as a high-value, high-quality destination. And we have all the elements to achieve that.
The Prime Minister was speaking at Friday's groundbreaking for an 800-room hotel development at Stewart Castle in Trelawney. It's part of the Amatera Group's 1,000-acre integrated township development. It will include mixed-use facilities such as 8,000 hotel rooms, along with agriculture, manufacturing, logistics, and commercial development. The neonatal care unit at the Victoria Jubilee Hospital has received 2 bassinets and 2 boxes of ventilator circuits to improve healthcare delivery and enhance the comfort level of its young patients. The items were donated by the Meds Foundation and presented to the hospital recently. The Meds Foundation is a charitable organization founded in August 2017 to help hospitals in need of equipment and supplies. Its members are comprised of 5th-year medical students at the University of the West Indies Mona campus. Pointing out that the ventilator circuits will deliver oxygen to the patients, consultant pediatrician in charge of the neonatal care unit, Dr. Unique Brown, says the donations are very timely. Staff at the Kingston Public Hospital, KPH, will be trained in new technology for ophthalmology care from Chinese health practitioners currently on a medical mission to the island. The Bright Journey 50-member medical mission includes ophthalmologists, nurses, and technical support staff, including biomedical engineers. They are in Jamaica from March 27 to April 27, primarily to perform cataract surgeries on more than 500 Jamaicans at KPH. Senior Medical Officer at the hospital, Dr. Natalie Wiley, says the training component of the mission is to ensure that the work will continue after the team has left.
We are training trainers because the ophthalmology department is an important site of postgraduate training. We are part of the DM program of the University of the West Indies. So as we work alongside our Chinese counterparts, then in turn we will continue that training, and so the gift of the mission will continue.
Dr. Natalie Wiley was speaking at a recent JIS think tank. This is Bright Mission's second visit to Jamaica, and at the recent launch, the team also donated medical equipment and supplies to KPH. Chairman of the Bureau of Standards Jamaica, Senator Matthew Samuda, says plans are on track for this year's implementation of a deposit refund scheme for plastic bottles. The scheme was first announced by Prime Minister Andrew Holness. It will see manufacturers providing a $1 cash refund per plastic bottle delivered to recycling partners' depots across the island. Senator Samuda says the funds generated from the scheme will go towards the creation of a green industry. Senator Samuda was addressing a BSJ meeting at the agency's office last Thursday. And finally, Gender Affairs Minister Olivia Grange is appealing to women involved in abusive relationships to seek help through the Bureau of Gender Affairs. Minister Grange was addressing the opening session of a policy meeting on masculinity in the Caribbean, held at the University of the West Indies regional headquarters in St. Andrew on Friday.
I say to any woman who is in an abusive relationship and is worried that she cannot leave because she has nowhere to go, no friend or family, to call us. We have systems in place and there are help call numbers that we must all help to promote so that women who are in distress can seek support.
The minister also pointed out that 2 additional national shelters for women are being established this year to bring the total number to 3. The policy meeting on masculinity in the Caribbean was co-hosted by the UEMONA and the Inter-American Development Bank. It was attended by a wide cross-section of regional stakeholders.
We live in a very toxic social environment in the Caribbean. That's a fact. It's indisputable, it's a fact. And we need to come to terms with why this is and what we can do to make our societies safer, healthier, and easier to move about.
We are at a critical juncture in our collective development, and we must seize all opportunities to collaborate, show best practices, and promote healthy and positive behaviors among the men and boys of the Caribbean region.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.